We're talking about electric motor overheating. So, stick around as we break down the things. I mean, signs, causes, and solutions to keep your motors running cool. Overheating can lead to all sorts of trouble, from reduced efficiency and performance to the ultimate motor meltdown. And nobody wants that, right? So, how do you know if your motor is throwing a temperature tantrum? Here are the signs you should watch out for. 1. Excessive heat. If your motor feels like it's been sunbathing in the Sahara, it's a clear sign. 2. Strange smells. Caught a whiff of something burning? That's your motor crying for help. 3. Weird noises. Any unusual sounds like humming or buzzing could mean troubles. Let's break these signs down. Excessive heat. When we say a motor feels like it's been sunbathing in the Sahara, we're painting a picture of just how hot it can get. Electric motors are designed to operate within a certain temperature range, and while they naturally generate heat as they run, there's a limit to what's considered normal. If the casing is too hot to touch, the heat is escaping into the air around it like a mini desert sun, that's a clear red flag. This excessive heat can damage internal components, degrade insulation, and shorten the motor's lifespan. Strange smells. Now, about those strange smells, imagine you're catching hints of something burning, but there's no fire in sight. This could be the smell of insulation or wiring getting too hot inside the motor. These components are made of materials that can emit a distinct, often acrid, smell when they overheat or start to burn. This is a distress signal from your motor, indicating that it's not just running hot, it's running dangerously hot and potentially causing internal damage. Weird noises. Unusual sounds, such as humming, buzzing, or even grinding, can indicate several issues, but when paired with overheating, they suggest specific troubles. For instance, a humming noise might mean that the motor is laboring under an excessive load or struggling with electrical issues that cause it to overheat. Buzzing could point to electrical imbalances or bad bearing. These sounds are like the motor's way of verbally expressing distress, indicating that internal components are under stress or operating outside of their normal parameters, bringing it all together. Each of these signs, excessive heat, strange smells, weird noises, and performance issues, serves as an important warning that an electric motor is not operating as it should. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe problems, including motor failure, which can be costly and dangerous. Now, let's get to the root of the problem. What's cooking your motor? There are a few usual suspects. 1. Overload. Pushing your motor harder than it can handle is like running a marathon in a snowsuit. It's going to get hot. 2. Poor ventilation. Motors need to breathe too. Blocked or insufficient airflow is a no-go. 3. Electrical issues. Faulty wiring or incorrect voltage can add unwanted spice to the mix. 4. Environmental factors. Working in high temperatures or dirty conditions can turn up the heat. 5. Lack of maintenance. Neglecting your motor is like ignoring a simmering pot. Eventually, it'll boil over. Verify that the motor is receiving the correct voltage as specified by the manufacturer and that all wiring is up to code and in good condition. Incorrect voltage or damaged wiring can lead to inefficiencies in heat generation. By addressing these key areas, installation, maintenance, cooling, load management, and electrical integrity, you can significantly reduce the risk of motor overheating. This proactive approach not only extends the life of your motor but also ensures it operates efficiently and safely, saving you from costly downtime and repairs. If you've got any tips, stories, or questions about motor overheating, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more electrifying content right here on Electricity Frenzy.